Abdullah, the slave of Hazrat Asma, states that Hazrat Asma radiyallahu anha said to me while she was near Dar Muzdalifah, "Has the moon disappeared?" I said, "No." She performed the prayer for a while and then inquired, "Son, had the moon disappeared?" I submitted, "Yes." She thereupon said, "Move along with me." We then set out along with her until Hazrat Asma stoned the Jamra and then performed the Fajr prayer at her makeshift residence. I said, "Madam, we have departed very early." She said, "O son, there is no harm. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam has granted women the permission to depart early." This narration has been reported with another authority. It says that Hazrat Asma radiyallahu anha said the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam granted his wife permission to depart. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3110.